Got old Buck out running for the first bird today. Man, he looks like he's in great shape. Here's old Buck moving in on the first bird. Boy, it didn't take him long to find that thing. That was beautiful, Buck.
Come on. Come on. Whoa.
Chappie just found the bird. Whoa, Chappie! And then naturally Buck is laying on an honor that's beautiful. Look at you. Way to go, Buck. Chappie's so excited about this one he's drooling. Didn't take him long to find it though. Quail are calling everywhere.
Yes.
You guys have another one. My girl's out for her run now. And we've got a bird out here for her, so she'll have a ball with that. Okay. She's got it. That's my girl. Easy, girl.
I wish she'd turn around.
Here comes Chappie to share the point. Man, that didn't take long. That didn't take but a second. Boy, they are enjoying this point.